How to recover my Gmail account if forgot my password. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover my Gmail account if forgot my password. First, navigate to the web browser and click on your account shown at the top right corner. After that, click on Add a new profile in the menu box. Here, hit the Sign In button and add your email address. Now click on Next and you will reach the password area. Then select the Forgot Password option and you will need to enter your phone number. In the next step, choose your country and enter your phone number. After that, hit the Next button and enter the code sent to your given phone number. In the end, continue it and you'll be able to recover my Gmail account if forgot my password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.